Alright, what's going on everybody? This is Jason again with What in Detail Nation, and today I'm excited to bring you this video about our level 1 or annual ceramic coating package that features our paint enhancement service, which is going to be the highlight of this video to show you just how good this paint is. This truck, we turned it around, made it look like new again. We transformed it from looking like this to looking like this, and it's a huge change, and I'm excited to show you the entire process, walk you through it, and tell you what we did to really bring it back to life for years to come and put on long-lasting protection to keep it looking shiny and clean and easier to clean for years to come. So stay tuned and let's get to it.
We have this 2006 Ford F-150 in for our level 2 interior, 1 year or annual ceramic coating package. This paint is going to need some love. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up, but it is pretty dull, dingy, water spots everywhere. Trim is faded. Paint is just very, very dull. We're going to spruce this up, give it a facelift, and really make this thing look like new again for its new owner. Even the wheels are a little dingy and not as clean as they could be. Total before, all washed, prepped, clayed, decontaminated, and dried. See, there's a lot of oxidation, hard water spots, paint's really dull and chalky. You come over here to the side that we polished just real quickly to give us a quick test spot and sneak peek, and you can see a huge drastic change. Even without the light, you can see where the paint changes. and really comes back to life. It's gonna look good when it's done.